Okay, welcome back. This is another smoothie recipe. Actually, it's a milkshake recipe. And this time it's the Super Simple Chocolate Milkshake. And the reason I gave this video that title is because we're not going to do anything special here. We're not going to do anything fancy. Although we could add in lots of different things like PDM, which I've mentioned in other videos, and you can check them out in another video. Also, I've mentioned before that you can add in some fruit for a bit of extra flavour, extra vitamins and minerals, etc. But here's the cool thing about F1 Formula One, and that is it contains all the good stuff that your body needs. All the vitamins, all the minerals, as you can see here. Okay, so a lot of people ask, what is it made of? What is the main ingredients? The main ingredients is soya protein. So it's plant-based, gluten-free and vegan friendly. It's also a good source of fiber and protein. So the instructions on the actual product itself, it says 2 scoops, you just mix 2 scoops with 250 millilitres of semi-skim milk or fortified soy beverage. You can also use water with PDM, which I've talked about in other videos. Today I've got dairy milk. Now you could also choose to use almond milk, soya milk, oat milk, or any other kind of milk that you like. So I've got in this jug here, this measuring jug. It's actually just a bit more than 250 litres. It's almost 300 litres, so give or take 250 to 300 will be fine. And then I'm going to add in 2 scoops of F1. So all I simply do is add this in to my cup for blending. I recommend the NutriBullet, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to leave a link below this video, because if you don't have a NutriBullet you might want to invest in one. If not, you can do this easily with a shaker. You can mix it up in something similar or in a bottle and just add in your 2 scoops, and if you like you can add in some ice. I like to add in some ice, so I've got half a dozen ice cubes here. I'm just going to simply add them in and then give it a mix up for about 30 to 40 seconds. So that's it all mixed up in the NutriBullet. Now, there's a couple of ways where you can get a NutriBullet if you don't already have one. There is a promotion going on right now with Herbalife Nutrition, where if you like the idea of winning or being able to qualify for a free NutriBullet, just get in touch with your coach or drop me a message, post a message in the group, and find out how you can qualify for that NutriBullet. If you'd like to purchase one, I'll leave a link below this video where you can go and buy one online, purchase one online if you like, at the best possible price. And that's it for today's video. So I hope this one helps. This is just a very simple, easy way for you to get a good meal replacement. That is the whole idea with F1 Formula One. I use it for snacks, I use it for meals, and it's just a great way to get good nutrition in a very easy, quick and convenient way. And I'll be sharing more videos again really soon. I'll be sharing more videos with the recipe book as well, because as I've mentioned before, there are so many different things that we can do with Herbalife nutrition products. It's not all about the shakes. It's not all about these smoothies. We can bake with the F1 Formula One as well as using PDM. Then there's the sports nutrition, and there's a whole lot more that I haven't even begun to discuss yet. and that also includes the skincare products, which I will go into in a bit more detail in some other videos. But the purpose of today's video was to introduce you to how to mix up your super simple chocolate milkshake using F1 Formula 1, and really you can see how easy it is without all the talking, without going into detail here in this particular coaching video. You could see that you could probably mix this up in approximately somewhere around 60 seconds. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found value here, and until next time, do have fun, and I wish you all the very best success in reaching your own personal wellness goals and moving forward here with us with our online community.